What's up guys, I'm Harvey. This is my car. It's a 2012 Renault Clio RS200, Renault Sport model. It's currently running standard power. It's around 197 from factory, I believe. It does feel quite pokey as it is. Quite a bit done to it so far. It's got a Scorpion non-res catback exhaust system. It's on Bilstein V14 suspension. They handle insane. It's got 20mm spaces all around on the speed lines, which gives it a really nice, perfect fitment on the wheels. The rest of that is just exterior stuff really, sunstrip, black badges and the rest. I've got a K-Tech induction kit coming soon, which will be fitting on the channel, so stay tuned for that. I'll show you around the car now. So I'm sorry it's a bit dirty at the moment. I haven't really had a chance to clean it. That's just the standard engine bay that all the RS200s have. Not really much done to it yet. It's running like just the normal stuff. We've got an induction kit coming to fit here, which will be a cool video to do. I've also got like a battery cover coming as well, stuff like that. Maybe want to spray a few parts in here, change some of the hoses, make it look a bit nice. Not really planning on big power for this build at all. Coming around to the wheels, we've got the RS centre caps. They cost a bomb for what they are. They're from the Mark IV Clios, which my girlfriend's actually got, so I bought some of them. They fit perfectly, make it look like a really nice clean aftermarket wheel, even though they're just a normal Clio speedlines. Brembo brakes on the fronts, just factory. It was a factory cut, they all come with them. You're not able to see them, it's obviously lowered on Bilstein V14s. I think it was 30 or 35mm all around. It's perfect height. If you look from this angle to the back, got the rake stamps. It's slightly higher at the back. It barely rubs with the 20mm spacers on. You can only see a few times where the tyres actually caught. I'd say it's probably rubbed on me since I've had them over the course of 7 months, about 10 to 30 times. It's not too bad. It's a really good setup. Had it fully fast road setup on the line. So inside, that's pretty much standard. It's just a normal Renault Clio Sport. Not really much to do there. Aftermarket stereo, that's about it. Unfortunately, we've not got the Recaro seats, just standard Renault Sport seats, although they are really nicely bolstered. They are really comfy as they are. And then coming around to the back, in a recent video which I showed, we did the black badges. All this is blacked out, that's just plastic bits, but it looks really nice. I'm sorry it's not clean, it usually looks a lot better than this. 200 diffuser obviously. And a few stickers, a few more bits I want to do exterior wise, make it look a lot nicer, but I'll do a startup video for you.